Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening OneDrive in a browser or app. Sign in if needed. Locate the file, you search for the name or scan the folder where you saved it. Once found, right-click or tap the ellipsis to reveal sharing options. This is the first actionable step because permissions and links come from here. Make sure the file version is final and check if it's in a protected folder so the share behaves as expected. Next, choose how to share. Create an anyone link, limit to your organization, or specify people. You do this because each option controls access level and security. Once you pick, set link settings, expiration dates, password protection, and whether recipients can edit or only view. Then either copy the generated link or add recipient emails directly in the dialog. Include a short message so they know why you're sharing. Make sure to review the permission label before sending or copy. Finally, deliver the link through email, chat, or any platform you choose, paste it and send. After sending, verify access, ask recipients to confirm they can open and that they see the right permissions. If someone reports issues, make sure they're signed into the correct account, and then check if the file inherits restrictive folder permissions. If problems persist, revoke the link, recreate with broader settings, and resend. That usually clears token or permission conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.